Welcome to the Explainer. Let's uncover why making 150 grand today basically feels like 50,000. You're definitely not imagining things. Even with GDP going up, the math for middle class survival has completely broken down. Look at this disconnect. Consumer confidence is literally stuck at recession levels, completely ignoring that positive economic growth. So, what's actually devouring your six-figure paycheck? We've got two massive budget breakers to talk about. First up, kids, raising a child to age 18 now takes a mind-blowing $300,000. And the early years, absolutely brutal. Infant childcare alone averages over $17,000 every single year. That's a huge 47% surge since 2021. It instantly eats up almost a quarter of a family's income. Then there's the housing trap. Homeowners are straight up refusing to sell, terrified of losing those sub 4% mortgage rates. Because nobody is selling, average monthly payments for new buyers have totally skyrocketed past $2,100. This essentially creates a tale of two economies. We are literally living in two completely different financial realities now. Check out the top 10% here. Their spending surged, while the bottom 80% has totally flatlined. The reason is brutal. The bottom 40% actually experiences significantly higher price inflation than those wealthy households. With inflation devouring wages, we're seeing credit card, auto, and student loan delinquencies surge past pre-pandemic norms. So, the treadmill is speeding up. It's getting vastly harder to out-earn these exploding costs right now. Why? Because job growth stalled out. Companies are increasingly pointing the finger at AI adoption for massive job cuts. AI isn't just taking existing jobs, it's actually creating a very quiet, steady reduction in new hiring altogether. The math has simply changed. If your $150,000 salary feels like 50, you aren't wrong. So, what's your game plan? How will you adapt your strategy to survive this massive middle class squeeze in 2026?